If an adult has hearing loss, they can say, I'm not hearing properly, I need to get it checked. And we can do that very quickly using a simple test called pure tone audiometry. But what about babies? They can't speak. They can't tell us anything. So how do we know that if their hearing is good or not? This is where a powerful test called BERA comes in. BERA stands for Brainstem Evoked Response Audiometry. It's an objective test, which means that it doesn't depend on the child giving any feedback. We use it to check how sound travels from the ear all the way to the brainstem. And here's how it works. We play sound into the ear. The inner ear, called the cochlea, changes that sound into electrical signals. These signals travel along the hearing nerve to the brainstem, and we place tiny sensors on the baby's head. As we play the sounds, we record how the signals move inside the brain. The response or the result shows up as 5 waves, just like an ECG graph. Out of these 5 waves, wave 5 is the real hero. We carefully study the timing, the strength, and the repeatability of this wave 5. If wave 5 is delayed or it doesn't appear at all, it tells us that the brain may not be receiving sound properly. And this helps us assess the child's level of hearing loss. Now, here's something which is very important. For accurate results, the child needs to be in deep sleep or under deep sedation. Even small movements like blinking or turning the head can disturb the signals and affect the result. That's why we always have a standby anesthesia team during this BERA test. We also ensure all the emergency equipment is ready, like oxygen cylinders, intubation kit, and monitoring systems. Safety is our top priority. And this is the reason why BERA is done in advanced hospital settings. It needs proper setup, trained specialists, and a calm and controlled environment for the best outcome. For children with hearing loss, early diagnosis changes everything. BERA is often the first step in deciding if a child needs a cochlear implant or other forms of treatments. I am Dr. Sri Rao, a cochlear implant surgeon. Let's make sure that every child gets a fair chance to hear, speak, and thrive. Thank you for watching.